Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can change the candlestick's color in MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software. And as you can see here, the candlesticks are black and white. The ball candle are black and the bear candles are white. So let's change them. So first of all, click on the right click on the chart and go to properties. And after that, make sure you are in colors. If you found yourself here on common, click on colors. Then after that, as you can see here, we have ball candle, this one and this one. The color is black. So let's say I want to change them to, let's say for example, green, or let's say this color, for example. As you can see, the color has been changed. So let's choose another color. So let's say this one, okay? And we have the beer color is white, this one. Click on it, and you can change it to any color you want. So let's say this one, for example. And as you can see, the candlestick's colors has been changed. So let's say, for example, you want to change the border of the colors. As you can see here, it's green. So for the ball candles, choose bar up. And as you can see, the color is green. You can change it to the color you want. So let's say this one, for example, as you can see. And the bar down is this one. It's also green. So let's choose pink. This one, I think. Okay. Or this one. And after that, click on OK. And as you can see, the candles colors has been changed. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.